So you remember, right? I have showed you the structures before, in which I told you that in range also a lot of people trade in range. So what I have done in this, I have just enlarged that 5 minutes chart, you can say, so that you can understand how does the range works and how does the breakout also in the range works, right? So this is a range that was created on a higher time frame. I just zoomed it out and understand this, that this is a 5 minutes time frame. Okay, we are looking at the chart in the 5 minutes time frame. So what is happening here? The range that we created is the area where always the liquidity will be grabbed. But the good thing is the market will continuously move, give us the entry points in the range to long and short. So whenever the market is consolidating, I mean, what you have to measure, you have to just measure the first top to bottom, and that is your range created. This area and this area created your first range, right? And in the range, you just have to play the ping pong game in the range for some time. Of course, keep your stop losses always very safe. As you can see, market came out here and here also. Why? So that the people who are playing in the range, they could be stopped out. How you can be free from this stop loss? You can be free from the stop loss if you will have patience and you enter only after the retest. This is the retest area. I'm going to color it. This was the retest area. Okay, this blue area. So if we enter here, our TP is here, stop loss is of course here, and we will be free from the stop losses. I mean, we will never hit our stop losses and we can play out the range game as well. All right, let's move ahead.